Hi children, in the last class we learned about some birds and its special features, that is pigeon, dove, eagle, kingfisher, myna and woodpecker. Then I am asking some question. Which bird has keen eyesight? Which bird has keen eyesight? Eagle. Tell me, which bird has keen eyesight? Eagle. Good. Then next, which bird has sharp sense of hearing? Which bird has sharp sense of hearing? Pigeon. Then, which bird is a symbol of peace? Dove. Which bird is a symbol of peace? Dove. Then, fish catching bird? Kingfisher. And which bird pecks wood with its beak? Woodpecker. Okay. In this class, I am going to teach you some other birds, that is crow, parrot, owl and sparrow. First, crow. Crow is very common bird. In your house, you can see crow making, or crow is always making the sound craw, craw. Isn't it? Yes. Black colored bird. And crow is a cleaning bird. Which bird is a cleaning bird? Crow. Which bird is a cleaning bird? Crow. Good. The next is very lovely bird, talking bird. Guess which bird? Talking bird? Yes, parrot. Green colored bird and its beak red. Parrot is talking bird. Okay. Which bird is the talking bird? Parrot. The next is owl. Which bird? Owl. This bird has sight at night. This bird has sight at night. Owl. Which bird has sight at night? Owl. Okay. Then the last bird is sparrow. Which bird? Sparrow. Sparrow is a simple and small sized common bird. It has white, grey and black feathers, short tail, and its beak is short and strong. It eats grain, seeds and insects. Okay. Woodpeckers have strong beak that they use for drilling and drumming on trees, and long stiff tongue for extracting food, that is insects. Woodpeckers have strong beak that they use for drilling or drumming on trees, and long sticky tongues